Hello, people. Welcome to Gulak Trades. Yesterday, that is on Monday, we have done our day 18th of live trading session. Yeah, and into our second trade account, it was day 7. We have booked 400 plus dollar profit, and in totality, we have taken 5 trades. First trade was into platinum. We went long. We booked good profit over there, and we booked the profit in accordance with the safety line. Second trade was into MNQ. Again, we went into long, but it was like MNQ is going all time high, so you can't find a great setup, and we took the loss in accordance with the safety line. Third trade was into gold, again long, and we taken it buy after crossing the all time high and that day's high also, and with the in accordance with the security line, we have booked a very minimal amount of profit. Fourth trade was into platinum. We went short, and I was feeling deja vu that we shouldn't be taking this short position over here. I feel like this has happened before and we're gonna get the loss, and that exactly happened. We have taken a loss, and we were not confident because of feeling the deja vu, and still we took the trade and we then hit our SL. Fifth trade, again into platinum. We went long, and it was a good setup, and we booked good profit. So in totality, we booked the profit of $418. And if you want to see the highlights, you can. Maybe it has like just touched and now it is going back. What do you think, people? Shall we like put a buy over here? Let's take a long
Order
position.
filled.
I've taken a long position, and this would be our SL. And TP, we're gonna trail along our green line. What do you think, people? Should we trail in accordance with this? Let us just trail in accordance with this. क्योंकि क्या है ना, अब $300 देखे हमने, 120 भी आ जाएंगे तो कोई बात नहीं। क्या हम 120 पे ही घर जाएंगे? Actually, I've seen the 5-minute line breaking. You can see the 5-minute line has broken now, and I am going to close our
order filled.
Not a very great setup, so let's just take 2, not 3.
Order filled.
I have bought into it, and with a very small SL of $38 with 2 micro lots. If it cross our line, we just exit the market. Let us keep our TP also somewhere over here. यही recent high तो यही बनाया है. So let's just keep it. Or else we can trail also. We're gonna trail, guys. Anyway, हम इस green line के around trail करेंगे, but just for the sake of it, I've put a TP. I guess people, हमारी green line जो है वो break हो चुकी है already. So it's time to exit.
Order filled.
I have exited the market. So फालतू loss ले लिया हमने.
Order filled.
Now I have bought into the market. I know, people, not a good thing much to do. Now our SL is big, but at least we get a confirmation now. And so we got a confirmation, because see, into 3-minute also we have a 3-minute candle above our yellow line, and a 1-minute also full candle, and a 5-minute also candle. So we got the confirmation that market still wants to go up, and after getting the confirmation, we have taken the trade. Amit is asking, what's your daily profit target? Jitta book ho jaye, dear. Till the time you are finding a setup, till the time you are okay into the market, your mind is okay, you are not feeling tired. Once I feel tired, and once I'm not finding the setup, at that time I should not do the trade. I don't have a target. Why should I have a target? Anyway, I sit in the market for a shorter period of time only. So into that time, If I'm finding good setup, I can take good money. If I'm finding not good setup, then I'm not taking the trade.
Order filled.
अब ऊपर चला गया. I've closed our position because I made this steeper line. Why I made this steeper line? Because we have a new swing low. So in accordance with that, I made a new steeper line into our 3-minute chart candle. And once it crossed this green line, that is our like closing button.
Order filled.
I have sold into the market, guys. It was a tricky decision, not a very confident trade, not with full of confidence, but then I have taken it.
Order filled.
It happened. And I had this deja vu. I've told you people that I'll take a short position and it'll go back, it'll reverse. And after having that feeling, after having not so confidence into the setup, I still took the trade. Let's just take a 1-minute break. Now, do you think market is going up? Now, should we take a long position? That's a tricky thing, people. Let's first change our lines. Oh, okay.
Order filled.
I have bought into the market again. अब समय आ गया है कि हम अब 2 लॉट से प्लैटिनम में शुरुआत करें. थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, धीरे धीरे हम कर सकते हैं. I think now the price is gonna go like zig 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 ऐसे करके जाएगा. Or it can come down ऐसे zig 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 zig. $400 हमने देख लिया था, पर हम 280 पे बंद कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, हम अपने in accordance with the rules गए हैं. So it's okay. It does make sense. होने को तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. ये हमारा भी 645 का टीपी भी लेने जाएगा, बट ठीक है, we should stick to our rules.
Order filled.
So देखो, हमने हमारे 5-minute चार्ट पे हमने एक स्टीपर लाइन बनाई थी. वो हमारी जैसे ही क्रॉस हुई, नॉट जैसे ही, उसको भी हमने इनफ ब्रीदिंग स्पेस दिया है. और अभी हम 418 पे हैं, वो भी हमारा कोई बुरा PNL नहीं है. In today's live session, we might try adding one more lot into platinum, depending upon the setup. So if you want to see me live trading, you can subscribe to my channel, that is Gulak Trade. Hit the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I come live. I come live around 7:30 IST, and see you there. Bye.